Island TV. You don't know so Derrick Morgan can't bling up buy ice cream and Derrick Morgan don't have no money to pay for the guest house. You never know that. Derrick Morgan hungry and don't have no money to even pay for a night rest at the guest house, but him a bring out bling up buy ice cream.
Somebody
Macka Diamond disrespect Nicki Smudge. Right? That's why Nicki Smudge now give Derrick nothing because Derrick Morgan don't tell Macka Diamond so she altered and she wrong for disrespect Nicki Minaj. You understand me? Derrick Morgan sit down and make Macka Diamond and curse Nicki Minaj the other day. To make Nicki Minaj up. First of all, Macka Diamond run go do song with Derrick because him want him shall look for Nicki Minaj attention. She don't get it. Then she start cuss Nicki Minaj. Derrick Morgan no come on live and say Macka Diamond you can't cuss Nicki Minaj. Derrick don't stand up for Nicki Minaj. So all you expect Nicki Minaj to go give you? Nicki Minaj now give you no more lion. Hungry go kill you, Derrick Morgan. Hungry go kill you have to go down. You have to go down. Because you move, you're gone right back at square and you fall off. You fall off, you're gone back up at Beach Road Avenue. You remember up at Beach Road Avenue where the old bed they up the Derrick there? Up the Derrick there, or Derrick gone back up at Beach Road Avenue. Yes, Canry. Right back up at Beach Road Avenue. Pan the old Derrick gone. The old tada. Right back at square one, Derrick gone. Right back at square one. From years now, Derrick. I make how much money on the internet and Derrick I walk on a mind man. And when I walk on mind man with it. See there? Andrew live a life. When Fanny know from him feed Andrew till Andrew gone a grave. One old man so them need to put up an article and ban him. Because I'm on the internet and scam people that talk when want somewhere to live. The amount of people give Derrick Morgan money to get somewhere to live. And him still up on the street every day. Derrick is a user and Derrick is a thief. You understand? You can't say, yeah, Nicki Minaj a friend. And you make Macka Diamond sit down in a class, Nicki Minaj. You should have come on live say, Macka Diamond, you're not supposed to do it. Nicki Minaj saying how much lion. You never stand up for Nicki Minaj. You never stand up for Nicki Minaj. You make Macka Diamond a class, Nicki. So all Nicki go look on you. Your day is done. You get your turn. You get your turn. Macka Diamond is a big old woman. And she's also a troublemaker. You think Macka Diamond like Derrick? Macka Diamond don't like Derrick. Macka Diamond do this song for get a little forward or a little hype because Derrick in the spotlight. If a Macka Diamond alone they write this song, nobody would not listen to it. And true, Derrick and Nicki Minaj good. She want Nicki Minaj to say, Ray. Macka and Derrick have come down. Why the fish are nice? Boy, you go buy bling a ice cream. Boy, you carrot bling a Devon house. Every day you beg. Where you get money for your send out a carrot blinger? Where you get money for your carrot blinger, boy, you carrot blinger Devon house? How much you want Devon house ice cream? Must be $500. And every day you come on the internet so you're hungry. Every day you come on the internet and say you're hungry.